come when storm draw near. No sword, no gun, no wicked test can break the peace in my chest. Me learn from leaf, me learn from breeze. Oh, stillness walk among the trees. Me no rush, me no contest. Me just keep peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Flow like tide when Babylon roar. Me still inside. No wave too big, no noise too loud. Me walk with Jah above the crowd. Yes, Jah, me humble, proud. Can't control all them do, but me control what living true. Me can't fix world in a one breath, but me protect me inner depths. Me carry stillness like a flame. In city noise, me still remain. When them lost, me manifest the sacred peace in my chest. Peace in my chest. Come on, wide it, not just hide it. Be my guide. Me not retreat, me not protest. Me hold your love in my chest. Oh Jah, my soul at rest. Let the rhythm slow like tide at dusk. Chimes ring out truth without a fuss. Nyabinghi chant true rhythm blessed. Me feel the peace in my chest. So when the world call I to hate, my open heart, me shift the weight. Me walk away from wrath and test and hold firm peace in my chest. Me teach the youth true, oh me live. That strength is not what you can give, but what you hold and manifest. That sacred peace in your chest. Peace in my chest, still and sure. Through every trial, my soul endure. It not fade out, it not regress. It grow like tree in my chest. Yes, I, your truth confess. Jah bless. Jah. No matter what Babylon bring, my old a song, my heart still sing.
From the hills to the sea, Jah message flow naturally. Truth rooted in the eye seen. They try to sell illusion sweet, but I walk with steady feet. The fruits of Babylon taste nice, but carry curse beneath the spice. I sight the trap behind the screen. Gold chains, false kings, living mean. But Rootsman know what real feels like. I tell fire, coconut and mic. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Ooh yeah, we come from high. Them talk fast but empty still. I move slow with Jah's will. Every leaf and every tree speak creation symphony. Rasta not deal with vanity. We build with love and clarity. No fame can pay what peace can give. It's not just breathe, it's how we live. Roots never lie, truth never die. Even when the system try, we hold firm, we chant and fly. Lift your head and trot just sky. Selassie I, guide I and I.
and pray. Give thanks for each and every day. She never read no preacher's book, but teach me how the heavens look. So I man carry what she gave, from dirt below to sunset wave. The truth is deep beneath our feet, in every drum, in every beat. Roots never lie, truth never die, even when the system try. From ancient hills to modern cry, Jah word forever multiply. Ooh Jah, truth always rise. Rise, rise. Truth in the root, and the root in the eye.
They sit beneath the old fig tree, where silence speak and soul feel free. No man around, no road, no sound, just breeze and leaf upon the ground. The wind did carry ancient word, my heart it beat with truth unheard. Me learn from breeze, from sway, from spin. Jah plant his wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind flowed to I, like whisper from the Most High. No paper, pen, or preacher face, just breeze that touched my deepest place. Yes, Jah, me hear with grace. Them chase the book, them chase the crowd, but Jah speaks soft, not proud and loud. Me listen close, my spirit still, and there me find Jah holy will. Each gust it bring a sacred sign, like scripture scribed in branch and vine. Me close my eyes, my soul begin to dance with wisdom in the wind. Wisdom in the wind, so pure, it come like healing, like a cure. Me no need gate, me no need key, the truth blows straight from tree to tree. Oh Jah, it set me free. Dub echo like breeze in cave, Nyabinghi chant true leaf and wave. Chimes ring out the soul within, me overstand from wind begin. So when the world get loud and wild, me step aside like Jah's own child. Me rest my mind near mountain bend, and wait for wind like long lost friend. It come with peace, it come with might, it shine me dark, it raise me light. And all me need, no money spend, just open heart and ears to wine. Wisdom in the wind, it flows from roots below to stars that glow. It teach me love, it teach me fear, it tell me Jah is always near. Yes, I'm a Joe here. When words grow weak and books can't guide, let Jah breeze speak inside. healing come. Feel the warmth from the rising sun. No chains can hold a soul that's free. Jah light shine eternally. Winds of truth blow through the land. Lift your head, overstand. This system try keep us blind, but love and faith will realign. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Oh, Jah, Jah, guide our step each day. Yeah. They sell fear on every screen, but I live in love unseen. Meditate by the roots and stone. In the silence, I'm not alone. Babylon fall with noise and pride, while humble hearts are sanctified. Fire burn, but don't destroy. It purifies and brings us joy. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Yes, still I rise. Chant down hate, chant down greed. Jah provide all that we need. Roots grow strong when storms blow hard. Every scar becomes a guard. So walk slow through the valley deep. With faith in Jah your soul will keep. Even when the night is long, Zion come with sacred song. I see hope in every face, melanin bright with Jah's embrace. Lift your voice, don't be afraid, with the music that love made. Rise like the sun, children of Zion. March to the beat of the holy lion. Don't bow down to no illusion. We burn lies with love's solution. Ooh, Jah, lift us higher still. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time. Jah love all the time. Still I rise, still we shine. Jah love all the time.
It flows, not outside, but deep within the river, in the soul. Me walk the valley, me cross the heat. Still my soul stay cool and sweet. No matter storm or whirly roll, me carry river in my soul. It come from Jah, it never dry. It keep me steady, it lift me high. Me no need well, me no need bow. The source within, it make my whole river in my soul flow so free. Wash away the doubt in me. Me stand firm, my spirit wide. Jah water flow from deep inside. Yes, Jah, this river me guide. Me no follow the Babylon stream. It's shallow fast, full of empty dream. My hold to flow that pure and wise, like ancient tide beneath the skies. Me chant in peace, me rest in light. Me roots go down beyond the night. No dam can chain control, the freedom live in my soul. River in my soul, calm and true. Me flow with love in all me do. Me give, me grow, me overflow. Me plant good seeds where Jah wind blow. Ooh, Jah, your current still show. Let the dub wash over pain. Let the chimes fall like healing rain. Nyabinghi rolling sacred scroll. Me hear the river in my soul. So when me weary, me rest me mind. Me close me eyes, the stream me find. It sing no song, but still it speak. It make the strong, it lift the weak. Me carry water from the start, through every scar, through every part. And when we reach the Zion goal, me know it's Jah who fill my bowl. A river in my soul, Jah design. It flow with peace, it flow with time. Forever stream from heights unknown. From him alone, my flesh and bone. Yes, I never walk alone. It not end, it just flow deeper still. Jah know. You can cut the tree, but you can't kill the root. Still living, still growing. Then try to bury the old time song. Say it too slow, say it too long. But truth no age and fire no sleep. My roots run quiet, but them run deep. Me nah bow to plastic trend. My soul no bend, my spirit no end. Me rise each day with ancient cry. Cause roots grow strong and roots not die. Roots never die, no matter the storm. Still push through even when it's torn. Beneath the soil where truth to lie. Me find my strength, my roots still high. Yes, Jah, roots never die. Them paint success in gold and show, but me know truth in what grows slow. Me no race, me just align. My feet in earth, my eyes the sign. Me chant same way my elders chant. Me no switch up just for grant. What grow from love no man can buy. Me hold the faith, me reason why. Roots never die, through drought and flame. Still whisper Jah holy name. Me no boss, me no fly. Me grounded low but reaching high. Oh Jah, my roots justify. Nyabinghi drum roll like prayer. Echo fly through desert air. Even when branch bend and cry, the roots remain and testify. So when we're gone, don't mourn my shell. Just water the seed and wish it well. My legacy not flash or gold, but story lived and truth my hold. Me not fear Babylon's scheme. Me trod steady inside my dream. Me carry chant, my soul comply. My roots still chant until I fly. Roots never die, them live in song. Them guide the weak, them steer the strong. Through every trial, me still reply. Jah love endure, roots never die. Yes, I, forever and I. Me grow where others fall. Me reach where others crawl. Me root, me rise, Jah keep I wise.
Me no need gun, my charm song. Jah is my shield, Jah is my calm. Rebel with a prior scene. Oh, I and I no follow man-made rule. Them build the system to keep me fooled. But I read the signs and seek the sound of roots and wisdom underground. With dreadlocks flying in the breeze, I walk with honor, live in peace. No violence in this heart of mine, just truth and rhythm in a time. I'm a rebel with the prior, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, just hold I near. So I rise and I chant, with every breath I give thanks. They try to divide we with skin and flag, but we come from the same old rag. From Africa to every shore, Jah children can't ignore. I and I rise above illusion. Don't feed the beast of confusion. My revolution, soft and slow, like rivers under moonlight flow. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. One light, one love, one flame. I don't march for gold or fame. Na 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 na. Lion heart with a healing plan. Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. With a healing plan, Rootsman in a Babylon land. Still chant when I overstand. So light a fire in your soul. Let go the lies you've been told. No need for crowns or diamond ring. The truth is in the song we sing. Rebel not with sword in hand, but with the message we expand. Let your voice shake up the sky. Jah bless the ones who testify. I'm a rebel with a prayer, chanting love into the air. No war, no hate, no fear, Jah hold I near. Selassie, I lead my way through the night and into day. Still I chant, still I.
Sun cover Beijing, Jah give we one more day. Time for rise, time for give praise. Me rise in the morning with bread from Jah. Me stretch me soul to Zion star. Birds them sing, me heart feel light. Darkness gone, come brand new sight. Me give thanks for the life me live, for all the love Jah daily give. No riches fake, no worldly throne, just sky above and roots me own. Rise in the morning, light so pure, Jah mercy fall like river shore. Me open heart, me spirit sing. Me walk with Jah in every
check phone, me check the breeze, me listen close to rustling trees. Them whisper truth in ancient tones, say I man never walk alone. Me wash me face in river flow, me clean my mind, my soul must grow. Me step slow but step is true. Each morning light Jah make brand new. Rise in the morning, chant for peace, let Babylonic worries cease. Me plant me hope in fertile ground, me carry joy where love is found. Oh Jah, me bless this sound. Nyabinghi beat beneath sunrise, the echo roll where eagle flies. Chimes like angels greet the day. Jah light rise, me trot his way. Me greet the sun with humble voice. Me no rich but still rejoice. Me no own mansion, no drive no car, but me carry light from near and far. For every dawn me find my way, with one love guide me through the day. And when me sleep, me know me try to rise again when morning cry. Rise in the morning, rise with grace. Me carry Jah in every place. Me sing no boast, me sing no lie, just prayer lifting to the sky. Yes, Jah, me rise till I. From root to leaf, from soul to sky. Me rise until I fly.
Stand firm, my brother. Don't let the shadow hide your fire. Jah light never fail. They build their towers made of stone, but I rise with roots alone. No palace high, no kingdom grand can move the truth where I now stand. I've seen the lies that wear a crown. I've heard the silence break me down, but in the quiet I heard a sound. Jah whispered deep beneath the ground. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. One drop beat in my soul, reggae fire keep me whole. Ooh Jah, you make I bold. I don't follow where money lead. I sow the word, I plant the seed. They chase shadows, feed their pride, but I chant and stay inside. This heart, no fear, no evil path. It beat with thunder, burn with wrath. Not of hate, but holy flame, to cleanse the soul, not bring shame. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. With my drum and sacred song, I've been righteous all along. Yes, I stand strong. Echo deep like river cry. Skank it slow beneath Jah sky. Let the bassline pull you near. Chant down every wicked fear. I walk alone, but not alone. Jah is the rock, the cornerstone. When the storm come test my way, I kneel and still give thanks and pray. This journey long, the road is steep, but Rasta soul will never sleep. We shine like sun, we bloom like tree. From chains to chants, we're finally free. So I stand in the light, even when the world feels night. Rastafari be my guide. With our me nah walk alone. Jah light lead the road. Every step me carry code. Me walk with light though road get dark. Me soul still blaze like flaming spark. Me nah need spotlight or stage, just wisdom passed down from the sage. Them try distract with nice and gold, but me heart stay warm, my mind stay bold. My part no fast, but still feel right. Me never stray, me walk with light, step by step. Even when the world forget, one drop beat and Jah inside guide me soul through darkest night. Yes, me walk with light. My eyes open wide to signs, my ears tuned deep to sacred lines. Nature whisper truth so loud, but Babylon hide it with crowd. My trod soft but voice stay firm. My spirit no sell, my soul no squirm. Each lyric me sing, each drum me strike is prayer upon rhythm, chanting life. Walk with light, no need to fight. Let Jah justice shine so bright. Me not blind, me not tight. Me live free with inner sight. Oh Jah, me walk upright. Let the rhythm slow your pace. Let the echo cleanse your space. When the night feel heavy, tight, just remember, walk with light. Me no care if me walk one way, long as Jah guide me every day. Some follow trends, some follow crowd. Me follow clouds and chant out loud. Me no rush, me no fear. Me walk by faith, not what appear. Me step with heart, me step with trust. In Jah we move, in Jah